In every, you have seen by Panchikaram, mixing in fire, all the elements have in all other elements. So all elements have its component share in all the other elements. There happened a mixing, and that mixing is the cause of grossification and the evolution of the manifested world. And so, lam, you bring it down, 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 and then you're transcending, you're jerking it up. Lam, la, going up. Vam, you are there, landed in the chakra. Wah, it's going up. Ram, reached. Ra. Yam, ya. ഈ പൂക്കറ്റി ഇങ്ങനെ പൊട്ടി ആകാശത്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ പോലെ മറ്റേ വലിയ പടക്കത്തിൽ വലിയ വെടിക്കെട്ടില്ലേ അതുപോലെ. അപ്പോൾ then you are there in the root which is hum. Hum, vibrating the center. Then what can you do? അത് automatically ഇളകും അപ്പോഴാകുമ്പോൾ. And then these are the aspects of the chakra. Mula mantra is hum. We conclude it for time being and take a break for Muladhara.